Hello everyone, my name is Fabrizio. Thank you so much for watching my video and to have entered my YouTube channel. The next video basically is gonna talk about the importance of protecting a surface in a proper way to achieve the beauty and long-lasting sustainability of it. If it's possible, I would like please to ask you your help to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for me to create new videos and upload it and so on. Feel free to add any question, any comment, ask me anything in the area of the comment and I will answer to each one of you. Okay, thanks again and enjoy the next video. Bye!
Hello everyone, this is engineer Fabrizio from Fila, Dubai. I have here two pieces of natural stone, and as you can see, one piece it's rusted, damaged, and for natural process has absorbed all the dirt, got contaminated. On the other side I have the same piece of stone that has been pre-treated with our back sealer, four-side sealer and back sealer, and the look is still perfect. If you have this situation, if you didn't pre-treat your marble, natural stone, limestone, granite before the installation of the stone, unfortunately this is what is going to happen. There is no solution for it. So you will be forced to replace, pick up the stone from the floor, from the surface, replace it, bring it back, reinstall it, using manpower cost, electricity cost, water, emitting new carbon dioxide in there, and so on. However, if you, before the installation, you pre-treat with our Fila PW10, you apply the stone, you apply the one coat on the side and on the back of the stone, your natural stone will look perfect and natural for the next 30 years minimum. So contact us for more information.